Zoo Books, the publication especially created for
Chef Boyardee.
I went on the internet and found...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video on the NC Miata. If you haven't watched last week's video, probably a little confused as to why it's on jack stands, but yeah, go check it out. Long story short, rear main seal leak has been going on since I got the 2.5 in because I forgot to seal it up with RTV all the way. My own fault. And oil got on the clutch surfaces, and now we have a slipping clutch. So that means we got to take the transmission off. And today, I don't know if we're going to take the transmission off today because I mean, you guys who have kids, you know that your schedule is not your own anymore. So plan today, at least, is to get exhaust, braces. I want to get all that done and off, and get there's a little pan up front, get that off too, just to be ready to tackle the transmission all in one day. So just taking little steps at a time, much like we did with the 2.5, that is what we're doing to get this transmission out. And this is not a how-to on how to remove the transmission, because I don't know how to do it. I'm going to be figuring it out as I go. So with most of these things, I make the video, and you know, I kind of know what I'm doing, but I don't know how to take the transmission off, so it's a new experience for me. So you guys who are hoping that this is a how-to video, it is not. So yeah, I'm gonna film as much as I can though, so you can at least see what I'm doing and go from there. But otherwise, I'm gonna get under the car and get started with these braces, and then I'll fill you guys in on a little thing. It kind of came at a good time that the car broke, because we're gonna do, part of the 2021 goals was to do a suspension overhaul, taking off all the arms, cleaning them up, new bushings, powder coating, things like that. And I think we're gonna be able to start doing that soon. So it's kind of a good thing that the car is down and we can do this all at once, but otherwise, sit tight, let's get going. So we got our braces out, PPF mount, all that stuff, and the exhaust off. And this is just a disgusting mess of just oil spray, dirt. I mean, this thing is disgusting. So I got to take these over to the car wash and get them cleaned off. And then underneath, drive shaft still to do, PPF brace, and then I need to get the clutch slave cylinder out of the way and all that. But we're moving along. It's getting pretty bare under here, so making good progress, and we're just gonna keep on going and see how close we can get today. And everything is nice and clean now. No more oil, sludge all over our pipes and braces. So next thing I need to do is, besides taking the few things off the bottom of the car, but I need to get the center console out and the shifter out and everything. So I'm gonna do that in this video as well, but we're getting close to finishing this up. So one less thing we have to do in the future. Alright, so wrapping this up, I'm at a stopping point for the day, but interior's pulled apart with the shifter out.
Our little lower pan right there is off. Our slave cylinder is disconnected. The wiring harness is disconnected. So the only thing that we're gonna do in the next video is take off the PPF and the drive shaft and hopefully drop this transmission. And I've checked around and the oil really did get everywhere, but I'm pretty sure it is isolated to the rear main seal because all the oil was at the lowest point and spread around everywhere from the wind and everything like that, and it's just gotten everywhere. But most of the oil stains and things like that are on the bottom where the rear main seal is, so pretty sure that's our issue. Of course, once we crack it all open, we'll find out more. It's gonna be it. Feeling like I got some stuff done today, which is good. I mean, we're definitely fixing it now that we've got all the stuff taken off the car. So I did pick up 2 upper control arms for the front suspension because that's the first thing that we're gonna be refurbishing, and I'm gonna do the little DIY sandblasting, get some of this grime off, clean them up, put some new bushings on, service the ball joint if needed, and yeah, so another project in the works. We're probably gonna be working on that as we do all of this stuff. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned while we work to get the transmission back in the car, out of the car, clutch replaced, everything like that. Haven't already, be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next video.